I'm making this video because I have to leave for one of the adventure place from where I can take the best shots there. So today my task is to have good shoots from the air and also from the floor. So this is my task today. So I will try to have a beautiful shots there of the birds, of the water, of the bridge, and also around the city. It's really beautiful there. I used to always think when I was crossing from there, so one day I will come here and I will take these beautiful shots. So I hope I get that shots very well, because the weather is not so good today, but I will try my best to take a good shots, because I've seen in online that the weather is going to be okay after 1 hour. So it's the weather, you see, it's really cloudy weather, and I'm here, I'm crossing from the street. It just goes to that adventure places, but fortunately it's this is a shopping street and it goes from my place to that adventure place, so I have to cross from here. So it's a sale day today, because it's the 2nd July of 2019. So but I'm not making of this vlog today, but this vlog I will make next time, because so the next time I will come here and I will try to make also here a vlog about the dressing, that which brand is the best brand and which brand is comfortable for the prices, and also the styles, the fittings and everything in one of the vlog. So it's a good idea to have also a vlog here, and so I will try my best to get good vlogs. So it's just the area, and you can see that's the area. So I hope now I've got an idea that the next vlog I will make about this shopping streets. So it could be a great vlogs. And so this vlog, it will be about dresses, fashions, and my favorite brands. So let's end up this topic here, because it's so we will come to the main point. So I will go there. I will be there in half an hour to my target. So I will be having a video there also. So thank you. If you have any questions, any things to say, or any things that you want me to learn, you can give me a comment in below. So I will be thankful. Thank you very much. Wish me good luck. So it was today task. I wanted to take some more good shoots, but it was late, unfortunately. So this place, whatever I could do it, I just do it just for you, and also for me, from my experience. It was a great experience, but I try my best. It's a little bit late. I came just a little late here. If it was early, so I could go there in the other corner of the river. So there is a very beautiful place, but no problem. So I will come another day and I will take one another shoots here. So it was a good night, a good day. It was uh, as it was just today's target, so I just completed it.